Hi, today we will take a look at the offline maps and content downloads. The Camps app has built-in maps for offline mode, but these are basic summary maps which do not allow full street details. For fully explorable offline maps, you need to download for each individual state you require. The map downloads are split into separate downloads for each state, so you can manage the amount of data used by the Camps app. Once a map is downloaded to your device, it will stay in place unless you manually choose to delete the map. Once offline mode is enabled, any downloaded maps will automatically load for you and allow you to see street-level details when offline. Please note that if you have very poor or no signal available for the Camps app to connect to online features, the app will automatically switch itself to offline mode. When signal is restored, the app should automatically switch back to online mode, but you can toggle back and forth as required, which will be described in full detail in this tutorial. From the main Explore tab map, you will see several grey icons down the right edge of the page. The first icon, a Wi-Fi type wave symbol, is used to control your offline mode and content. Please note if this icon is highlighted in orange, this means you are currently in offline mode. If you tap this icon, the app will open the Offline Maps menu. At the top of the page is a button to toggle between online and offline modes. When the button is blue, you are in online mode. When the button is orange, then you are in offline mode. Simply tap to toggle back and forth as you require. There are two steps related to offline mode. Step 1 allows the app to sync both the online and offline database related to site information. Any changes to data within the app since download will be updated here. The Camps app will try to update this information automatically in the background, but if you close the app before this download completes, it will need to resume on next use. You can force the update to load by tapping the blue button at step 1. Once download is completed and you have all the latest site data synchronized, the button will disappear and the app will show the dates of the last successful update. Step 2. This section is designed to download the full offline maps for each state. Simply tap the download button to the right of the state or multiple states you wish to download. The button will change its status to downloading and turn blue with a summary of the download's progress displayed below the state label. To delete the data for any state, simply tap the downloaded button to the right and you will be presented with a menu option to delete the downloaded state. Tap No, Cancel if this is an error, or Yes, Delete to confirm the content to be deleted. Please note that offline mode is only available in map view mode. You must be in online mode to access satellite view for your maps. Please also note that some features are restricted when offline mode is activated as they need access to the live Camps database. The Trips, Community and Offers tabs are disabled when offline. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy travels!